here today at Charmlee Wilderness Park for the kickoff event of our Wild L.A. Outdoor Equity Grant.
This is actually my first time here in Charmlee Wilderness Park, and we are bringing out community members to enjoy local nature. I'm sure a lot of people from LA just don't know this place is here within LA County.
Miguel, what do you think?
That's mountain lion scat. We know that because of the size. Also, it has all these segments to it, and cat scat usually has segments. Even if it's a tiny bobcat scat, it has like this ball and socket connection type of thing. Usually pretty blunted at the end, like this end here. If it's a coyote scat, it would be a lot longer. But the big key is that all the fur in there seems to be mostly all deer fur, and that's really distinctive deer fur. And mountain lions primarily eat deer. 87% of the diet or more is usually deer.
How old do you think it is?
I would say a day or two old. Given how hot it is out here, it would be much more dry if it was any older than that.
We got a lizard!
So this is our western fence lizard, which a lot of people call a blue belly. So yeah, look at this beautiful blue. This is a male. The males have more blue than the females.
Cool. I heard that the color blue is the rarest in nature.
Yeah, so getting blue pigments is sometimes like, it's really hard to get blue pigments.
It's really special. So we're lucky to get this lizard. It's so cool.
We saw so many cool amazing things, like the mountain lion poop. I don't think I've seen fresh mountain lion poop like right in the middle of the trail before. I honestly, after I heard that, I was kind of like looking over the mountains. I'm like, maybe I'll see one.
Today was pretty cool. We went through the Woolsey Fire burn scar and did a small 1-mile loop that showed a lot of wildfire recovery.
Seeing Greg catch lizards kind of with like this lasso was pretty cool. I didn't realize he does that regularly.